This video I am showing you how you can use a Spotify sleeps timer on Android and iOS. So firstly what you need to do is you have to play any of the song, and after playing the song you can simply tap on the three dots in the top right corner, tap on the three dots of the song, and then you can simply scroll down and then you can find the sleep timer option. So second last option, tap on the sleep timer. You can uh, add sleep timer from the 5 minutes to 1 hour. So you can simply add a sleep timer. So let's see, I add to the 10 minutes. So your sleep timer is set. So it is saying that you can also check your sleep timer by tapping on the again on the three dots, then you can scroll down, and then here you can see sleep timer is set 10 minutes left. So that's it. At how you can use a Spotify's sleep timer on Android and iOS. So after 10 minutes you can simply close your audio. So that's it at how you can do this. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon to get notifications of such new informative video. And also don't forget to like, share and comment on this video. Have a good day.